why, invite nyo na yung mga friends and families nyo dito sa live natin. Habang ako ay nagkakape sa aking Happy Lion Cup. Speaking of Happy Lion, guys, alam nyo ba, meron akong sobrang nilook forward to na movie sa December. And that is yung Mufasa na movie. Tapos, kwento lang, backgrounder lang. Yung Mufasa kasi, favorite book ko siya. Favorite book ko yung Lion King ever since. And then yung Mufasa kasi, siya yung tatay ni Simba. So, mga hindi nakakaalam ng Lion King. And then yung Mufasa, first ever siyang gagawin ata na backgrounder story siya about yung tatay ni Simba. Kasi ever since, ang ginagawan lang nila ng movie is si Simba and wala pa ata si Scar, si Simba and yung mga bloodline ni Simba, yung anak niya. Ngayon, si Mufasa kasi, siya yung isang great Lion King talaga. So, sobrang excited ako na mapanood siya sa December, guys. So, yung mga may alam ng Lion King, sino may alam ng Lion King dyan? Let's watch it together. Yon, 100 na, 127, 130 na actually. So, ang gawin natin, guys, so basically, abangan nyo ng 7 p.m. lalabas yung, syempre, sumagot na yung mga ibang artists and tao, diba, na sumali sa campaign namin. Of course, nandyan sila Lamat Tomas, Barcode, Tinasit ng Thailand, sila Kuya D, sila Josen, and many more. Sila Dion, Kaya, ang dami. So, maraming salamat sa kanila for joining the campaign. And ang tanong is, ano yung hardest decision mo na ginawa sa buhay? Bakit? Bakit yun yung tanong? Kasi 'di ba syempre, ang title ng song is Wala Nang Iba nga eh. With that, kung wala nang iba siya, no matter how hard your decision is, 'di ba, or yung hinaharap mo sa buhay, no matter how hard that may be, kung ano man yung decision mo na yun, talagang yun yung paninindigan mo and yun yung one and only mo. Kaya siya wala nang iba. Nothing else or nothing more than that. So, ngayon, alamin naman natin yung wala nang iba ng first one members. So, ang mangyayari dito, guys, starting 7 o'clock tonight, right after this live, makikita nyo kung ano yung wala nang iba namin. And hindi lang siya simpleng sagot. Story siya. Kasi, of course, guys, 4 years na kami dito sa P-pop industry, right? So, ang dami ng pinagdaanan, ang dami pa rin pinagdaraanan. Yet, what keeps us going, and no matter how hard yung situation namin parate, or from time to time, ano yung wala nang iba namin, even at the hardest times. So, alamin natin yun, guys, and sana samahan nyo kami sa journey na yun. Starting 7 p.m. may lalabas na video and TikTok and sa lahat ng SNS namin, contents, lalabas siya. And ako yung mauuna tonight. So, sana abangan nyo. And ito yung magiging build-up countdown natin towards wala nang iba. So, it's officially, ano na ba ngayon? 29, di ba? So, counting down to, including tonight, to 9:30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, about 7 days. Yeah, 6. Yeah, 7 days kasi palabas na rin yung, yung trailer ng MV. Yeah. So, yun na, spinoil ko na. May MV tayo, guys. And lalabas yung MP3. Lalabas yung MP3, yung music pala. Lalabas yung music natin on all streaming platforms. Pero of course, you may check that out also availably in Spotify. December 6, lalabas siya together with the music video. So sana abangan nyo. But before that, ito na nga, wala nang iba. Bakit wala nang iba? And ano yung wala nang iba sa first one members? Ako, basically, ang gusto ko lang sabihin sa inyo dito sa makikita nyo and mapapanood nyo about my story, kung ano yung wala nang iba ko, is that mahirap ang buhay ng isang P-pop idol, or basically, tao pa rin naman kami. So, no matter how strong you think we are, meron kaming mga worries, fears, weaknesses. Alam mo yun, meron kami mga pinagdaraanan. So, sana through this mode of getting to know us better, na I think this is the only time na gagawin namin to. Parang papapasukin namin kayo sa mundo na hindi nyo nakikita. Kaya siya black curtain. Ano yung curtain na nakaharang, di ba? So, never nyo pang nakita na sino kami, or never nyo pa nakita kung sino kami behind this black curtain. And sana with this medium ng pagpakita kung paano kami nabubuhay or ano yung state namin at this time, lalo na sa wala ng ibang era, before nyo malaman kung ano yung wala ng iba namin, kailangan makilala nyo kami behind the curtain. Kasi 'di ba, yun na nga may hardest decisions tayo parati. Pero what drive, 'di ba, nakaka-curious? Kunyari, pinapili ka spaghetti or carbonara. Pinili mo spaghetti. Bakit spaghetti? Ano yung historical background? Paano ba lumaki si Ate Myla? Bakit lumaki si Ate Myla na ang gusto niya is spaghetti over carbonara? Nung bata ba siya, pinapalaki siya na nung birthday niya, may mga bisita, tapos puro spaghetti lang yung dala, or umuulan ba parate, tapos parang ang comfort food nila is spaghetti, ganyan. So, maraming background story behind each and everyone's lives. So, makikita niyo yan sa mga sagutan namin starting tonight. So, please tune in, guys, 7 p.m. And, kakaiba tong ginagawa namin na way ng pag-release ng song. I'm sure alam niyo yan kasi before parati kami may teasers na kabog na kabog or bongga lang. Pero this time, it's more of yung wala nang iba kasi it's more of a heartfelt song talaga. It's a song that goes across through time. So, sana ma-appreciate or makilala nyo kami better through this way of pagpapakita kung ano yung wala nang iba namin. Wala nang iba ni Ace, wala nang iba ni Jay, Joker, Alpha, Max. So, bakit ganun? Bakit ganun yung wala nang iba namin? Yung pala, may backstory, diba? So, sana maalamin nyo, sana ma-enjoy nyo yung pag-alam sa black curtain na yon. Kung ano yung black curtain na yon, kung ano yung mga naghihinder or nagbi-makeup ng bawat decision namin, ng stories namin, and bakit yun yung decision namin, bakit yun ngayon yung wala ng iba namin after everything else. So, nakaka-excite kasi kakaiba nga ito, kakaiba tong paraan na to. And first time namin kayong papasukin actually sa lives namin ng walang curtain na nakaharang. Parang ganon. Gets nyo ba? Nai-gets nyo naman, diba? Hi, Nathalie. Happy birthday to you. Hi, birthday. Hi, Tita Cynthia. Interested to know more about each one of you. Leader name would like to share na merong 4-1 so wala nang iba si... Yeah! O nga pala. Guys, thank you very much sa 4-1 na super duper supportive na parang sinundan nila yung campaign ng wala nang iba series na ginawa namin. So, super interested ako mapanood yun. Napanood ko yung isa kanina. And super excited ako makita yung iba pa. Sana post nyo lang po. And please do tag us kasi nakikita naman namin lahat ng pinapost nyo. So, yeah. Sa mga nagtataka again why I have shades right now, meron akong parang allergic reaction. So, yung eye ko sa kanan medyo recovering siya. Recovered naman na siya compared to 2 days ago. 3 days ago actually. So, naka-medications naman ako. But don't worry guys. Hindi naman natin nahayaan na mag-suffer yung performances or schedules natin dahil lang sa, konting sickness. So, sobrang nadadrive kami parati ng passion and ng mga sigawan ng 4-1. and ng mga new casual fans man yan. Evangel, Ace, kamusta yung coffee kapon? The best. Maraming salamat po. I'd like to share guys na isa sa super duper nakakatuwang ginagawa ng mga 4-1 is nakakatuwa kasi meron kaming tapings tapos nagpapadala sila ng coffee and super duper na appreciate namin yon kasi kami talaga bakit kasi lacking coffee ang first one. Ang story niyan guys is that during our trainee days, gigising kami mga 7 a.m. And then, syempre, nakakabagot, diba? Everyday mong ginagawa yon. So, ang naging parang medyo banlaw namin, ng ulirat namin, is that paggising namin, muna kami, coffee time. Kumbaga, 1 hour coffee time yan siguro. Or, nagka-coffee, muni-muni, or laro ng Mobile Legends, or whatever. And then, yun, doon kami nag-refresh ng sarili namin para kaya namin mag-push forward pa in a brand new day. So, that's why lumaki kaming first one members na super hilig sa coffee. Kaya, naging ritual na yan actually. Before mag-practice, before ang taping, after ang taping, naging bonding na rin. So, super duper na-appreciate namin yung ganong effort ng forward. So, we love you. Yeah. So, yeah, sa mga nagtatanong, mag-isa lang ako tonight. This is Ace and ako yung unang sumalang dito sa wala nang iba behind the black curtain. Wala nang iba story natin. This is the official start of the countdown before the release na ng wala nang iba. We're down to our 7 days. Yeah, 7 days. And abangan nyo kasi pretty soon, it's a matter of days actually, maglalabas sila ng panibago pa na pampasarap, pampatikim, pampa-excite. May chance na umattend ang mga 4-1 or casual fans man, but I think it's a limited time offer. So, tune in guys at 1STONE official sa lahat ng aming SNS channels and malalaman nyo yan soonest kung ano yan. And please do join us live. Oh, so sinabi kong event, di ba? Please do join us live in person para mas ma-feel nyo yung wala nang iba. So yeah, any questions guys, type lang kayo. Hi Ate Myla, miss you so much my sunshine. Miss you rin po, kamusta ka na? Renalyn, wala kayong event? Actually, rest day namin today. Kahapon we had a taping and alam yan ng mga 4-1 kasi marami pong 4-1 din yung nagpunta. Maraming salamat 4-1. HBG Hokshi. Hi Ace. Hi Chichi. Share the live guys. Kanina makyat na ulit tayo ng 177 viewers. Get well soon. Thank you. Mixtel. Ikaw lang po ba nandyan mag-isa? Yes. So kasi nagsa-start na kami ng campaign ng Behind the Black Curtain. Medyo intimate to eh. Unlike yung mga iba naming lives na kulitan, kulitan. Of course, kwentuhan pa rin naman talaga to. But, aside from the kulitan factor, etong lives natin from here on out will be changed a little. Makikilala nyo na kung sino naman yung serious side ng first one. Kasi, malalaman nyo na eh. Actually, nalaman nyo na yung isang, kung alam mo yun, meron diba nung isang araw yung what is genuine happiness for us. Yung genuine happiness kasi parang kung iisipin mo, yan yung happiness mo na wala nang iba pa. Diba? So, in a way, part ng wala nang iba namin sa buhay is nalaman nyo na through that video. But, kulang pa yun. Actually, that video is just a really small snippet of another bigger video. And that bigger series video will be released starting tonight. So, it starts with me. Abangan nyo po yun. And sana panoorin nyo lahat kasi dugtong-dugtong siya guys eh. Kung gusto nyo makilala, for example, si Ace, kailangan nyo rin panoorin yung yung video nun ni Joker, ni Alpha, ni Jason, ni Max, ni Jay. Kasi alam nyo naman yung background namin, 4 years na kaming nagsama-sama as brothers and more during trainee era pa. So, yung personalities namin actually and characters namin and decisions namin, intertwined siya in a way. So, wag lang isa yung panonoorin nyo. Wag lang yung bias nyo yung panoorin nyo. Wag lang yung bias record nyo yung panoorin nyo. Panoorin nyo lahat for first one. Kasi at the end of the day, yung bias nyo, yung bias record nyo, wala naman sila kung hindi dahil sa first one. And yung group na kinabibilongan ng bias nyo, hindi lang to for first one din. I'm speaking for every one of those groups out there. Kung sino man yung bias nyo or bias record nyo, that's great. That's really awesome. Thank you for loving each and every one of them. But, support their group. Kasi kung wala yung group nila, wala rin naman yung bias or bias record nyo. Walang bibilongan na group yung bias or bias record nyo. You never know, hindi nyo sila nakilala. Right? And dahil nandun sila sa group na yon, kahit papano, yung personalities na minamahal nyo, yung characteristics na minamahal nyo about your bias or bias records, intertwined yan sa bawat isa sa members nila. So, it matters na makilala nyo yung buong group nila. So, yeah. Si Jason po kasi pinanood ko na sa KMJS. Hi Mixtel. Yes, si Jason kasi is na-discover nga sa KMJS. So, yeah, thank you for supporting and always cheering for our youngest brother, Jason. Yeah, na-excite ako kasi in a few minutes, lalabas na yung wala nang iba behind the black curtain, wala nang iba story natin. It starts with me. Maraming salamat for tuning in. And excited din ako marinig nyo yung wala nang iba and makita nyo yung music video. Alam mo yun, yung first one, fun kami. Fun-loving individuals, fun-loving group kami. But, I think, nasa 4th year na kami ng... Actually, matatawag mo bang 4 years? Kasi pandemic boy group kami. Pero technically, nung pandemic, bumukas lang yung doors, 2022 eh. I think, I remember that clearly. That was P-PopCon 1. 2022, 2021. Basta, shoutout era yun. So, I think that's 2022. So, technically, parang lahat kasi tayo naubusan. Nag-time stop tayo dahil sa pandemic. So, maybe we're 4 years na. Pero kung tatanggalin yung pandemic, 2, 3 years, ganyan. So, anyway, it doesn't matter. What matters is, nagmamahalan tayo dito sa P-pop industry and sa fan bases natin. And, minamahal nyo kami and sobrang na-appreciate namin lahat ng ginagawa nyo and pagmamahal nyo. And, yeah. Basically, etong Wala Nang Iba series na to, guys, will really blow your mind. So, please share the videos with your family and friends and watch it seriously kasi before tayo bumalik sa kasiyahan, sa katuwaan, sa kalokohan na ginagawa madalas ng first one kasi fun-loving people nga kami, kailangan makilala nyo sino ba talaga kami kasi minsan, diba? Minsan nga kaya black curtain, minsan behind the smiles meron palang nakatagong kurtina na hindi nyo nakikita pero puno yun ng lungkot, puno ng anxiety, puno ng thank you for the rose, puno ng hindi naman hate pero puno ng fears, alam nyo yun. So there's a lot to know about your idols, yung mga sinastan nyo. So sana it starts with Behind the Black Curtain, Wala Nang Iba story by First One Us. So, starts tonight, 7 p.m. Please do share it and hoping, and I'm sure you will enjoy the answers and hoping that you will get to enjoy it with us. And yeah, we'll just love you more each day. We'll love you guys more each day. And wala nang iba pa nahihigit pa kesa sa pagmamahal na binibigay sa amin ng 4-1 and ng mga fans natin dyan. Thank you very much for always cheering for us, for First One's support group, which is you, for First One's core energy, which is you guys. So, yeah, so hopefully dito sa Wala Nang Iba era natin, dito sa Wala Nang Iba series, makilala nyo kami more before tayo talaga mag-release ng Wala Nang Iba and lumaki yung family natin more pa, multiplicatively or exponentially lumaki yung family natin. So 18 ako. You only live once. 18 ako. Lagi ko inaabangan mga kaming ganap nyo. Hoping sumikat din guys. Wow, thank you very much po. We love you guys. Of course, we love SB9. We love 18. They're brothers. And you guys are just awesome for cheering them on. Of course, respect to the other groups and fandoms as well. Ang ganda po ng dimples nyo. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thanks be to God yan. And thanks to my parents' genes. Manifesting ito na yun. Yeah, hopefully, God willing. I will always support you, first one, ano man ang dumating. Thank you, Ate Myla. Always supporting you as well, no matter how near or far you may be. I will always support you. Ask lang po, alam nyo ba yung mutya ng section ni? Ano yun? Sorry. Enlighten me po. Baka alam ko, pero baka nalilimutan ko rin. Grabe, ang cute. Thank you po. Thank you for having the courage to show this side of you guys. I love you. Siyempre, it's but right na makita to ng mga taong nagmamahal sa amin. Kasi, gaya ng sabi namin, first one is a boy group na always natural on cam and off cam. On stage and on stage lang. Medyo nagiging mas wild lang kami energetically pag on stage. Pero alam niyo yun, we want to show our human side to each and every one of you guys. Kasi that's reality and we want to represent reality sa buhay nyo. Kasi I'm sure kung mas tinitingnan nyo kami as something na mas related sa reality, mas mapapagkunan nyo kami ng inspiration and strength. And that's the main point of being an idol, I think, to inspire and strengthen each and everyone who supports or views us and who listens to our music. Hopefully you get to draw strength from each and every one of us. Sabi niya yung Wattpad story. Di ko alam yun. Ano yun? Kwento nga. Mamimiss mo ba yung paalam na yung paalam na syempre isa yan sa favorite songs namin. So mamimiss din namin yan. Pero hindi naman talaga totally babay yan. New era man. We're still gonna perform that. So after pala nito guys, we'll see you. Of course, hindi ko pa pwedeng i-spoil ng bonggam-bongga yung next event. But after that event, we'll see you at another event na na-announce na. That's at Tier 1's The Blackout Kickoff. So together with other artists and just of course Josh Cullen, Kaya, Dion, Kalista, and many more. So hope to see you guys there. Marami pang surprises. Alam ko na-announce din sila Miss Charlene San Pedro and other gamers and personalities and influencers also. See you soon. We have tickets na po. Thank you very much. Ay, o nga pala guys, I'd like to please invite you guys. Una, pasalamatan ko muna kayo. Actually, paalam na, if you guys don't know, I think it's been in the Mix Pinoy Countdown weekly hit charts for almost a month na. Not almost, baka 1 month na nga siya kasi 4 weeks na siya nakikita doon. Started number 20 and then it ran for 2 weeks ata at number 17. And then, just this past week, Saturday, nag-number 16 na siya. So, 4 weeks, diba? 1 month. So, thank you very much, guys, for bringing us to this height for paalam na. Hindi birong makaabot doon kasi, weekly Pinoy Mix Countdown siya. And, top 20 songs yon. So, thank you very much. But, please do continue to vote for paalam na in Pinoy Mix Countdown. Just go to Mix Global. And then, please click the vote online link. And then, vote for paalam na. You can do that by typing in the artist name. That's first one. That's 1ST space ONE. So 1 small s small t space capital O small n small e. And then type nyo lang po sa title ng song paalam na capital P AALAM space capital N small a. So yan lang. Vote for first one, artist name, and then title of the song paalam na. Yeah. So, blessed na 4 years ng part ng life ko, ang first one, and I will continue to love and support you. Thank you very much. We love you po, Ate Myla. Min Ace, grabe yung close-up na kain love. Oh, kahit naka-shades. Actually, cool din naka-shades, no? First time ko mag-shades for the longest time. Actually, guys, trivia. Nung bata ako, meron akong astigmatism and lazy eyes. Nakuha ko siya kaka-PlayStation na malapitan. So, nung bata ako, hindi pantay yung vision ng mata ko. So, malabo yung kanan. Iba yung grado ng kanan ng kaliwa. Astigmatism nga. So, ang ginawa, at a very young age, kinorek siya by, meron akong salamin. Every 2 weeks, naka-cover yung kanan ko. So, pumapasok ako sa school. Di ko maalala kung 2 weeks or every 2 days or 1 week. So, naka-cover siya. And then, after such a time, papalitan naman yung tatakpan, kabila naman. So, basically, pinapantay nila yung eyesight ko. Nahayaan nila mag-adjust sa isa't isa. So, medyo pirate ako. Medyo Jack Sparrow ako nung grade 2? Grade 3? Imutan ko na. Basta ganun. And ngayon ko na lang ulit na experience na nagkaroon ako ng something sa mata. Taas ng araw, Kuya Ace. Hi, Dion Joy. Uy! Guys, yung mga nasa gateway, nandyan ang Dion. Please do support Dion. Actually, after this live, pupunta ako doon to show my love and support to our sister group. Sana maabutan ko pa yung performance nila. May maabutan pa ba ako, Joy? Pa-stall nyo yung performance nyo. Charot! Siyempre, hindi pwede yun. So, sana may maabutan pa ako. I'm going there after. Oh, muntik ko nang ma-report si Joy din. Kasi nagkiklik ako ng messages. Dion Joy din. Andyan si Jay. So, hi. Sige. Wait nyo ba ako? Waiting kami ni Mikey ngayon. Andyan kayo, Mikey, Ari. Marvin, may pasok po, Eme. Habol po, leader nim. Waiting kami sa gateway. Ay, aabangan nyo ako. Tago lang ako, ninja gaming ako eh. Char. So, anyway guys, I think this has been our live for tonight. So again, I'd like to invite each and every one of you guys. Papalabas na yung newest comeback single namin entitled Wala Nang Iba. And kakaiba to. Kakaiba yung era, kakaiba yung song. And more of the information about Wala Nang Iba will be coming out every day. Every day, real soon, starting tonight. Please do join us by watching Behind the Black Curtain, first one's Wala Nang Iba story. So that starts tonight with my Wala Nang Iba story, 7 p.m. Please do watch it. As in, watch it talaga. Kasi hindi nyo ma-fully grasp yung emotion nung Wala Nang Iba na song and music video kung hindi nyo siya panonoorin. Kailangan makilala nyo each and every one of the members as individuals and as a group, first one, bago nyo siya mapanood and ma-enjoy fully. Mas ma-enjoy nyo siya fully kung alam nyo yung pinagdaraanan ng each and every one of the members and kung saan kami nanggagaling each and every time. So, Joy din, Behind the Curtain, bakit nasa front kayo? Hindi, nasa middle kami. So, yun guys. Thank you very much for having me again. Maraming salamat, though may allergic something pa ako tonight. And I'm still recovering. I'm here. I will always show up for our 4-1, for our casual fans, supporters out there. No matter what sickness, sadness, or ano man yan that comes into our lives. We will always be there for you guys, and we'll try to keep on inspiring you parate with our performances, with our music, with our humor, with our energy. But before that, finally again, inviting you to watch our series. Ito na yung full Wala Nang Iba series ng bawat members. Makikilala nyo na talaga kami. Behind the Black Curtain, first one's Wala Nang Iba story. This is the official start to the countdown for Wala Nang Iba And wala nang iba eras. Approach is very different compared sa iba naming songs na na-release before. Kasi this time, we want to go really, really deep and we want to bring you into our lives para mas ma-enjoy nyo yung song and music video nang wala nang iba paglabas nito. So please do join us. Watch that series starting tonight, 7 p.m. Nalabas yan. And yeah, hope you enjoy it. Love you guys. Good night. Stay safe. And good luck sa Dion sa performance nila sa Gateway. Habol ako kasi gusto kong sumuport. Sana may abutan pa. Pero if not, tago na lang tayo. Magkape na lang tayo. Anyway, God bless you guys. We love you. I love you. Good night, Leader Nim, Ira Gosimfia. We love you. Love you, Ate Myla, Jana, Crisel, like the live. Thank you very much. We had 179 viewers max tonight. So, thank you very much, guys. Love you. Wala nang iba.